Today, we're diving into the world of alternative investment funds, AIF, and exploring their different categories and taxation implications. An alternative investment fund, or AIF, is a pooled investment entity that utilizes alternative investment strategies to generate profits. These funds operate outside of traditional investment frameworks, offering investors access to a diverse range of assets. In India, AIF are classified into three categories: Category 1, Category 2, and Category 3. Let's break down each category. Category 1 AIF focus on investments in startups, early-stage ventures, social ventures, SMEs, and infrastructure. They aim to encourage economic growth and employment generation. Some examples of Category 1 AIF include venture capital funds, angel funds, infrastructure funds, and social venture funds. Moving on to Category 2 AIF, these funds invest in the debt or equity of companies for growth and expansion purposes. However, they do not include sectors prohibited by regulatory bodies like SEBI. Examples of Category 2 AIF include fund of funds, debt funds, and private equity funds. Lastly, Category 3 AIF employ diverse trading strategies, including derivatives and leverage, aiming for short-term returns with a more aggressive approach. Hedge funds and private investment in public equity funds are examples of Category 3 AIF. Now, let's talk about the taxation of AIF. Category 1 and 2 AIF enjoy pass-through status, meaning the tax liability is passed on to the investors. For listed equity, long-term capital gains are taxed at 10% and short-term capital gains are taxed at 15%. Whereas for unlisted equity and other assets, long-term capital gains are taxed at 20% with indexation, and short-term capital gains are taxed at the investor's tax bracket, and dividend and interest income are based on the investor's tax slab. On the other hand, Category 3 AIF are taxed differently. The fund itself is liable for taxes on various income sources, such as capital gains, dividend or interest income, and business income, each at different rates. By leveraging the potential of AIF thoughtfully, you can unlock exciting investment opportunities and contribute to your financial well-being. Remember, knowledge is power, and with careful planning and expert guidance, you can navigate the AIF landscape with confidence.